Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either hide or enable the recycling bin on your desktop in Windows 10. So this should be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Select the Settings gear icon on the left side where you hover over it. It says Settings, so go ahead and left click on that. Select the personalization tile and then select themes on the left side. Scroll down on the right until you get to related settings and select the desktop icon settings. Now if you want to remove the recycling bin from the desktop, just uncheck the recycling bin option and then select apply, and you notice it's no longer there. And if you wanted to re-enable it, just check mark next to it, select apply again, and you can see it reappears. Select OK to confirm the finalized change, and that's about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.